Alright, this is going to be a video on how to replace the cabin air filter behind the glove box, the one that most people are familiar with, and the one in the engine compartment. This is something that most people aren't used to. It is on the passenger side of the engine bay, next to the wiper reservoir, wiper fluid basically. So there's going to be 6 panel clips. They look like this. Hopefully you have a panel clip tool. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once that's off, be careful of this little plastic clip on the rubber weather sealing, that it doesn't tear off. So just take that off, and then you get to the gearbox. So there's going to be a number 2 Phillips screw right here. Be careful you don't drop that, because if you do, you basically lost it. I don't see a reason for why there should be a screw there, so I'm not going to replace that once I redo this. So just pinch these and pull, and you can see my cabin air filter on the back there. So that's going to be behind my glove box, the one that most people are used to. But this is definitely like a pre-filter or something upstream of that cabin air filter. And it is also on the 24 GV80. So this isn't new for 25 or anything. Yeah, I will show you how that fits. Oh yeah, before I go to the cabin air filter behind the dash cam, you need like a ratcheting screwdriver to reach this, because it's quite a tight fit, so you basically have to do that. Alright, we are inside the passenger seat. There are these little, I guess like hooks that go on here. You just have to turn them counterclockwise while pushing these in a little bit, so it's not like pulling on them, and then just twist counterclockwise and they pop right out. There is also a little screw that hooks in here and here, so just be careful, kind of pinch these and then pull it out. I actually used plastic pliers to avoid damaging them. So once you're in here, see the clips, same thing, pinch that little tube thing and then pull it out. You see my cabin filter. So the part number is 97133 D2000, and this airflow is pointing down. And I'll show you how it fits in that pre-filter slot in the engine bay. As you can see outside from here. But yeah. Alright, so if you see, the width of it is about the same actually, but it's too long, see? And the thickness is a little bit off. So yeah, you can see that it does not fit. And this is not even the Wix filter, this is the OEM filter. So yeah, this is a different part. The filter that goes in here is a different part. I don't think they sell it separately, because I've been talking to some part departments. But yeah, we'll get it figured out, and if it doesn't work, then I guess I could just order some custom sized filters. But that's how you change your cabin air filters. And the owner's manual, it's page 926 and 927. So it clearly states there's one in the glove box and engine compartment, so this is a real thing. you know, the engine air filters are actually here. There's 2, but there's also 2 cabin air filters. Now, what I'm not sure about is if the secondary one, or I guess the pre-filter is what I call it, if that's only a Korea thing, or maybe it's some different country. I'm in the US, so we don't have a part number for it yet, but I'm gonna update you guys in the comments if I do get one. Thanks.